So we were talking about क्या क्या हम खा सकते हैं on a to cleanse our system.
Correct.
And आप आमले की बात कर रहे थे कि we can have amla in our
Amla
diet.
is very good. So amla juice, no doubt, is something that one can have on an everyday basis. It is a rasayana, and it is one thing which has got 5 tastes. Except for one taste, it has got all the 5, so it is very good for the body. So they always say one amla a day keeps the doctor away. So that's
Not an apple, not an apple a
Not
day.
an apple,
Not an
okay.
apple. वो भी हमने west से import किया
and
है.
that is why the Chyawanprash and other things, Chyawanprash is more than 50% amla, and they have put all the other spices, which is very good for maintenance of the health. See, there are 2 things. One is rasayana, that which keeps your body stable. So जो हमें रेज्यूनेट करता है, हमारे बॉडी को स्थिर रखता है, उसको रसायन बोलते हैं. मेडिसिन इज डिफरेंट, दैट्स ओनली टेम्पररी नेसेसरी टू बैलेंस योर इम्बैलेंसेस इन द बॉडी.
जब कुछ खराब हो जाता है तो आप उसको
जैसे हम बोलते हैं ना, ये टॉनिक है, आपको एवरीडे B12 लेना है, ऐसे. तो हम तो बोलते हैं कि एवरीडे आपको नेलिकल लेना है, आपको यू शुड हैव आंवला, यू शुड हैव च्यवनप्राश. अश्वगंधा इज अगेन, अश्वगंधा इट्स अ हर्ब which is very good, which is a hormonal balancer, which is an energy giver. It's one of the best herb that is there for you, even for good sleep, good strength, for everything. So ashwagandha is also available in the form of a digestive lehyam. So okay, the child is not eating much and he's little lean, you need to put on some energy, give him a small, like a chocolate type ashwagandha lehyam दे दिया तो they'll be right.
मैं ना प्रॉब्लम्स के बारे में बात करना चाहूँगी a little bit, डॉक्टर साहब. एंड often with the youth, the young, is facial health. फेस के ऊपर एक्ने, डार्कनेस, सैगिंग, मतलब वो आपकी स्किन में वो शाइन नहीं होती. लाइक आप मेरे सामने बैठे हुए हो, आपकी स्किन में शाइन है.
मेरे स्किन में, oh thank you. I don't see myself that way.
It's healthy, वो glow कर रहा है.
Actually, you said very correctly. The glow that comes in the skin, वो अंदर से होता है, अपने रक्त की शुद्धता पे वो डिपेंड करता है. So your body is healthy, then the glow is seen on your face. How much ever makeup, whatever you do, the glow will not come from inside if it is artificial. It has to be health within. From the eyes you can make out, इसको ठीक नहीं है, आज जरा बुखार है, या इसमें एनर्जी नहीं है. It speaks. Our expression and our skin will speak. So whenever you have a skin issue, जब आपको really आपको फेस को ब्यूटीफाई करना है, तो आपको ब्लड प्यूरिफायर्स लेना चाहिए. जैसे नन्नारी का शरबत हो. Okay, nannari is very good for the skin. So things like that. Raisins, 10-12 raisins per day early morning on empty stomach is a very good blood purifier. It increases the blood count. It is a coolant. It keeps you balanced. तो ये सब बहुत ही अच्छा होता है. And इंटरेस्टिंगली जो काजल हम समझते हैं कि कॉस्मेटिक है, आजकल वी यूज दैट वे, बट एक्चुअली काजल इज वेरी गुड फॉर द आई.
Okay.
Very, very good for the eye. It should be made properly. According to our Shastras, there are some certain flowers which is, done in a particular way, and the kajal is made with castor oil basically and all. So that kajal is very good for the eye. You won't need to have specs and anything like that.
अगर आप काजल लगाएंगे,
काजल लगाएं, but it should be the original kajal, which is made up of some flowers or some shoot and other things. You would be interested to know कि जब बच्चा का जन्म होता है ना, तो they will never expose him to the light as we do it now, because this electric light is not natural basically. So क्या करते थे कि वो castor oil का दिया जलाते थे. That castor oil का दिया used to give the eye so much of health and good sight, coolness that is very essential. तो ये सब चीज़ें बहुत मतलब की होती थी. 48 days no current used to be there. They used to keep the mother and this with only castor oil burning here and there. That was very good for the eye.
That is.
So the kajal also is made with castor oil base. वहाँ पर भी जो भी हम फ्लावर डालते हैं या डालते हैं, वो castor oil के अंदर उसको करके फिर उसमें दिया जला के they collect the shoot on that, and with that they make the kajal. It's very interesting.
So for eyesight, तो
yes,
skin के लिए I think first thing is कि purify it. So make sure you have
blood. Yes.
Purify your blood. Raisins in the morning is something you can start. Eyesight के लिए काजल या castor oil का बना हुआ काजल is good. What else?
Very good. Yeah.